皆さん、こんにちは。Yuki here. In this video, I'm going to talk about てはいけない。It is used when you want to say you must not do something. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to give it a like and subscribe to our channel. Alright, let's start learning about how to use てはいけない。The formation of this grammar is verb て form plus はいけない。If you don't know how to use て form, we have a video dedicated to that, so please watch that first. Alright, verb て form plus はいけない。That means you must not do something. For example, ここで寝てはいけない。ここで寝てはいけない。You must not sleep here. ここで means here. 寝て that's a て form of 寝るはいけない。So you must not sleep here. Let's look at more example sentences. ここを渡ってはいけません。ここを渡ってはいけません。You must not cross here. Right, so ここ that means here. 渡って that's a て form of 渡る。渡る that means to go cross. Right, 渡ってはいけません。That means you must not cross here. Must not cross. Right, here it says いけません instead of いけない。So that's a little more polite version of いけない by adding must. Right, and then here it's a negative because you must not, so it's a negative. So that's why it is いけません。Right, so ここを渡ってはいけません。You must not cross here. Let's look at more example sentences. 見てはいけません。見てはいけません。You must not see this. 見てはいけません。So 見て that's a て form of 見る to see. So 見てはいけません means you must not see this. Like you've seen in previous examples, Japanese often omit the subject. And with this grammar, oftentimes the subject is you when you translate that into English. Here the subject doesn't matter so much because you're talking about the rule that you created or the rule that exists. So it's kind of like a rule and gives you kind of a strict impression if you say this. Alright, so you must not see this. That sounds like a parent telling their children not to do something. Or teacher telling students not to do something. So just remember that it's going to give you kind of a, maybe this person is strict kind of vibe. Alright, let's look at more example sentences. 大きな声を出してはいけません。大きな声を出してはいけません。You must not make a loud voice. So 大きな声 that means a loud voice or big voice. And then 声を出す that means to make a voice or speak out loud. Okay, so 大きな声を出す that means to speak loudly or make a loud voice. Here 出して that's a て form of 出す right? And てはいけません must not. So the sentence means you must not make a loud voice. Let's look at another example sentence. 赤ちゃんを起こしてはいけない。赤ちゃんを起こしてはいけない。You must not wake up the baby. So 赤ちゃん that means baby. 起こして that's a て form of 起こす that means to wake up. So 起こしてはいけない。That becomes must not wake up. The whole sentence 赤ちゃんを起こしてはいけない means you must not wake up the baby. Next example sentence. それに触ってはいけない。それに触ってはいけない。You must not touch it. それに it 触って触って is a て form of 触る。触る that means to touch. Right, 触ってはいけない must not touch. The whole sentence それに触ってはいけない You must not touch it. Alright, next example sentence. ここに入ってはいけません。ここに入ってはいけません。You must not enter here. ここに here 入って that's a tail form of 入る to enter 入ってはいけません must not enter The whole sentence ここに入ってはいけません You must not enter here Another example sentence このことを話してはいけないこのことを話してはいけない You must not talk about this So このこと that means about this right? 話して That's a tail form of 話す means to talk or speak 話してはいけない That means must not talk The whole sentence このことを話してはいけない That means you must not talk about this Next example sentence 一人でプールに入ってはいけません一人でプールに入ってはいけませんYou must not go into the pool alone. 一人で that means alone. プールに into the pool 入ってはいけません。入って tail form of 入る。So 入ってはいけません。That means must not go in, must not enter. So the whole sentence 一人でプールに入ってはいけません。That means you must not go into the pool alone.Okay, so in the past, we learned ないでください。ブワブワしないでください。In the past N5 grammar video. And this time, we learned 走ってはいけません。Like, 手はいけない。That means must not, right? What's the difference? Well, the first one 走らないでください。That means please don't run. It's asking you or to this person directly not to do something. Hey, please don't do this. However, 走ってはいけません means you must not run because there is a rule. Gives you impression that this person is kind of being strict about the rule and then please don't run. It's asking you directly and you could be asking nicely. Alright, so that's the slight nuance difference. Alright, today's quiz. Translate these sentences into Japanese using 手はいけない You must not give up. You must not eat this apple. You must not drink alcohol yet. I will leave the example answers in the description. Alright, that's it for today. If you find this video helpful, please don't forget to give it a like and subscribe to the channel. Thank you so much for watching until the end, and I hope to see you in the next one. またね